At Foster Plumbing, we do ground up tenant improvement on our service division. We do everything from drain cleaning, backflow replacements and certifications, pipe replacement, tankless water heaters, boiler maintenance, anything required for a plumbing system service. We service primarily the Denver metro area. We work a lot with property management groups, building engineers, direct to owners, and different organizations that provide construction services. Everything we do is at the highest level, from the moment you call our office to the time that a technician leaves your job site.
We answer our phone, we show up on time, we do good work, and we stand behind it.